Attention campers, this is
The final call to convene the mess hall for the goodbye ceremony.
Let's move! Let's move! Let's move! That means you, Tommy.
What's my balls, dick face?
Good afternoon, campers! Well, these might be our final moments together this summer at Briarbrook. The fun isn't over yet.
Now we all know the story. 42 years ago, Nurse Agatha gets kicked out of Camp Briarbrook. This eerie calm takes over the forest. Now I know we've all been trying to bring this hag back for years. We prick our finger, hold up to the sky, and scream her name. Agatha! Something fucking horrible has happened. If you can hear me, please meet in the mess hall.
Do you think maybe the ritual thing might have caused...
Lauren, she's not real. There is no Agatha.
She would lure the children from their bunks by night, collecting their blood in jars that she hung from the trees.
I'm telling you, we hunt the hag.
All right, screw it. Let's go.
Here.
Let's try not to die tonight.
It's...
What the hell happened? Hey! Help! Hey, buddy! Help! Hey, stop the fucking car, man! It's pizza time! Hey, man, just keep the car running! People are dead, you fucking idiot! Do you have the faintest idea what you've done? I didn't get the fucking picture! Ah! What does she want? The leg! Agatha!